Hi, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today, I've decided to go ahead and make one more Halloween video because I've been doing some thinking. I want to make a jack-o'-lantern. And I know that sounds crazy, but y'all know by now, if you've been watching me, that I am a little bit crazy when it comes to these things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I've got my resin mixed up already, as you can see. It's the gentian. I'm probably have way too much in here, but that's okay because I can find something else to put it in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of my alcohol ink, the black, and I'm going to make it a little bit black in here because I'm going to make this jack-o'-lantern, but it's going to be a black jack-o'-lantern. I like black when it comes to Halloween stuff. I'm only going to do a light black, just enough to make it so that it's black, but not so that it's too black. Now the resin I've made up is my gentian, which is my go-to resin. You still want to see through it when you put the colorant in. You still want to see through it, see? But you want it enough black so that it'll look black. But not enough to make it opaque. Let's see. That's much better. Let's stir it up really good so it doesn't have any striations in here. And the resin's a little thick today because it's a little bit warm in here. I mean, a little bit cold in here. I'm doing good with my words. There we go. That looks good. I know there's a lot of bubbles in here. When it's cool, the bubbles come out like crazy. Go ahead and spray a little bit in here and in there. So hopefully the bubbles will pop. Get some down in that little stem. Make sure there's no bubble. I just know there's going to be a lot of bubbles in this. This is a 91% isopropyl alcohol. Now, instead of filling it up all the way, I'm filling it only up about half away. Because if you see this thing of rocks over here, you'll find that I'm going to be putting that in here like this. But I got to make sure I have enough resin in there to cover it. Wow, I'm not going to have leftovers. I forget how much this thing takes. Take a little bit more out. What I'm doing is taking a little bit out from the bottom because it wants to come over top. Wants to over pour. There we go. Now I will let this sit and cure till tomorrow, and then you'll see what I'm going to do. We'll see you tomorrow. Hi, it's demolding day. Let's go ahead and get these rocks out of here. Well, I try to get these rocks out of here. I hope I didn't pour some resin in accidentally, because they're sticking together a little bit. Nah, they came out all right. I have to do some trimming up on the bottom. No big deal. Ooh, that turned out pretty. Yeah. Okay, let's try. I'm going to try this one and see if it'll fit. Well, I was too... Yeah. I mean, it will fit, but it'll raise it. So if you put stuff around it, it'll work. But let's go ahead and turn the light on. Well, brand new one. Come on, off there. There we go. Well, it didn't turn out too bright, so it's not very bright. We'll try this. This is a brand new one as well. My little fairy lights I got off of, I think I got them off of Amazon or Temu, one of the two. I think it was Amazon. I'm just going to bend it up, pop it in, turn it on. Well, that don't fit under there, but you get the idea. Turn off these lights. There we go. What do y'all think about my pumpkin? I'm wondering if I should put a face on him. But honestly, to me, this looks very elegant. So I think I'm just going to leave it as is. Okay. But if you think I should change it, go ahead and comment, and I will see about putting a face on it and maybe taking some pictures later on down the road if I do that. Put it in my community page. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and hit that thumbs up button. It really does help my channel. And I will be seeing you next time. Thanks.